Do you want to bring your ideas and illustration to life using 2D animation? Or maybe you're an absolute beginner to animation and want to learn how to produce beautiful videos yourself. My step-by-step guide to indie animation production is exactly what you need to get started on your journey. Hi, HAVTZA here. I'm a freelance illustrator and animator that has done everything from studio specialist roles to completely independent production, and even managing a small team of my own. I do everything in the animation production pipeline, starting from idea and concept design all the way to final compositing. And now I want to share everything I know about independent production and creating animation. Animation is all about movement, so once you understand it, you can produce really impressive things. So in order to get movement right, you should start by learning the rules and concepts behind how everything works, as well as the techniques on how we visualize these rules in animation. Then you can slowly develop your skills and take better and more exciting projects. Are you new to do the animation? There's no need to worry about that. For this class, I will be starting from the basic of production with simple animations and concepts. By the end of this class, you will learn the different skills and theories that you can apply when producing animation of your own. Together, we'll take a deep dive into the principles of animation and the physics behind them. I'll guide you in every step of the way to understanding the concept behind animation and the techniques that are relevant for you to use. And afterwards, you will be able to create impressive scenes of any subject with engaging action and captivating camera work. The final key to indie animation production is learning how to handle the process all by yourself. On top of that, it is very important to learn your limits and how to divide your project and production into doable tasks that you can complete in a timely manner. In this course, I also plan to share my mind frame, which helps me have such efficient production process. My class is designed for beginners who want to bring their illustrations and ideas to life, as well as to more experienced animators who want to make their own independent production. So I will be covering the entire production line for independent animation and show you the skills that you need to have in order to work efficiently and professionally. I'm HAVTZA, a 2D animator, and I will be waiting for you at Colosso.